Hello YouTube friends, thanks so much for joining me. I want to go over what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a plate and I'm putting this home, oh I can't see it from there, I guess it has to be this way. Home sweet home, and I'm still debating if that is too small, but I guess we'll have to make it. Let me see. So maybe I should do the flowers first. Yeah. So here's what I think I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the flowers first, the decoupage on the flowers, and then I'm gonna do the decoupage in this. But I wanna try something different. I wanna try to make some lines, almost as if it was some type of cracks. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of purple because my client loves purple, and that's what I want to do. And I want to see if I can make very small lines. Let's see. Yeah, probably to look like if it was a decoupage. Let me see something even smaller than this. Let's see. I don't think I have anything smaller than this. Do I? Nope. I think this is the smallest one I have. So I guess we're gonna have to see how it looks. I don't know. I'm gonna try. So I'm gonna do right there. So I'm gonna stop the video while I'm doing this because this is gonna take a while, and then I will show it to you guys. But let me show you just roughly what I have in mind. Something like this with the purple. Let me see. I wish I had a different kind of purple, but I don't. So let me see if I have. Now, I also want to tell you about, I got some purple flower. I had to get them online because I could not find any decoupage paper with purple. So I got it online, and this is, it's so hard to see, but basically I got those flowers online and I printed, and then I did the put in some finish to it so that would protect the paint. So I'm gonna finish up doing this and see how it turns out. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, then I'll move on. So let me put on hold for a second. Okay, so I did not like what I was doing. Actually, this part I like. So I did with the brush, I did this cracks kind of. Now I did not like when I put the flower on the side. You can barely tell because it's dark, but it's, I don't like the flowers too much. So I'm gonna use this stencil and put something around it like that. and see how it goes. See, I'm gonna be doing exactly that. So let's try and see. All right, I didn't like I said to you guys, I didn't like the flowers. So what I did, I got some stencil and I just put some gold color stencil. Once I put the background, it's gonna look better, hopefully. And next, I'm gonna be putting up this. And see how that goes. I don't want to touch the where I put the stencils in because I don't want it to mess it up. So let me glue this with decoupage glue, the Home Sweet Home, and there you go. I don't know if I can show you guys, but this is kind of like the idea. So let me try that now to do the decoupage, and I'll show you after I'm done. Alright, so now after I glue the Home Sweet Home part, I'm gonna try to match on top of the gold a little crack manually done. So here's what I'm doing. I'm just doing like little manual cracks like I was doing in the rest of the part. So I'm gonna go down there and come back. I don't want to touch where I already paint, but so I have to, this is gonna take some time, so let me go do this and I will come back with you guys. Okay, so next I did this. See? So that's what it looks like right now. And it actually says, let me show you guys, Home Sweet Home. So for some reason it doesn't, you can't see it over there way. So let's now, I wait until it dried. It's dried now. And now I'm gonna put a white. So let me put the white in the back and then I'll show it to you guys. Alright, so now on the sides, on the edge, I did the white part in here. So on the edges, I'm gonna do a second coat of the gold. And then I'm gonna do a second coat of the white. I just love the gold. Let me see with like that. Very easy, simple, and just let it dry. And make sure you put all your brush in the water. I got a whole bucket full of brush right now. And then I want to do, after it dries, because you want to make sure it dries in between coats so it doesn't pull out the other color. After it dries, I'm going to do another coat. So this is what it looks like so far. And in the middle it says Home Sweet Home. It's for a client of mine that's buying a house and she loves purple. So I'm planning on doing this and also doing a bottle. So I'm still, if you guys have any idea for a bottle that has purple on it, let me know, because I would love to get some ideas. I still got some time because we are not closing until the end of the month. When I finish with the next coat of white, I will bring it close to the camera. So I'm just gonna let it dry for maybe an hour or so, and then I'll come back. Alright guys, so I did 2 coats of white. It's not quite dry yet. And then on the sides, I put in a little tiny bit of gold. So I'm gonna show you guys how it turned out. It's not quite dry yet, but this is how it turned out. See how beautiful it is? And you cannot read on the computer, but it says home sweet home. And those black spot, these are purple flower, and it looks dark, but it's actually purple. So it looks very pretty. I will put a picture of it, and it's gorgeous. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. Bye bye.